10 birds that migrate the longest. 10. Adelie penguin may travel up to 8,100 miles. 9. A moor falcon may travel up to 9,000 miles. 8. Red knot may travel up to 9,000 miles. 7. Pied wheatear may travels up to 11,000 miles. 6. Northern wheatear may travels up to 18,000 miles. 5. Pectoral sandpiper may travels up to 18,000 miles. 4. Bar-tailed godwit may travels up to 18,100 miles. 3. Short-tailed shearwater may travels up to 27,000 miles. 2. Sooty shearwater may travels up to 40,000 miles. 1. Arctic tern may travels up to 60,000 miles.